Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my new car lanyards, and yeah, you can grab one on my website. First up is the leather stitching. Honestly, the most time consuming part of the whole thing, but it's what gives it that really clean finished look. And there's the leather all stitched up. Next, I trace out the shape onto wood and cut it out with the scroll saw and drill press. Then I take that wood piece and glue aluminum strips along the sides. That's what gives it that sleek, premium feel, like it actually belongs on a nice car. While that glue is drying, and you do have to wait, can't rush it or it peels, I take the car logo and glue the leather piece right onto the center of the wood. And there's the finished product. Link in the comments if you want one made for your car. See you in the next one.